8 new cricket records that were created at the Argentina women versus Chile women cricket match that was played on October 13th. Record number 1. The highest ever team score in a T20 innings. 427। दोस्तों ये ऐसा स्कोर है जो EA स्पोर्ट्स क्रिकेट के इजीएस्ट मोड में भी टेंडेहार या धेनियर से भी नहीं हो पाता। इनफैक्ट कोवर्ट क्रिकेटर्स के करण, रवि इंदुलकर, पंकज या पैडमैन असाद से भी ये मुमकिन नहीं है। मजे की बात तो यहाँ पर ये है that the second highest team score is also by Argentina, that's 333 against Chile in the second T20 match of the same series। अच्छा तो पहले मैच में अर्जेंटीना ने स्कोर किया 427, तो क्या चील ने दिया करारा जवाब? Record number 2, the biggest victory margin which is 364 runs। The Chile fought very bravely but ultimately fell short by only 364 runs। They were all out for 63 with the top scorer of the innings being extras with 29 runs। Record number 3, maximum runs scored in an innings without a 6। जी हाँ दोस्तों, इस 427 के स्कोर में एक भी छक्का नहीं था। I know it sounds quite bizarre, लेकिन अगर इमाम उलग से पूछा जाए तो ये बताएंगे कि शायद अर्जेंटीना के बैटर्स प्रोटीन से ज्यादा कार्ब्स खा रहे हैं एंड सो दे हिट ओनली 57 बाउंड्रीज विदाउट अ सिंगल सिक्स।
Definitely.
Record number 4, highest individual score in T20, 169 of 84 balls by Lucia Taylor। Lucia might be disappointed that she was just 4 runs short of 172, which is the highest individual score in men's T20 cricket, scored by Aaron Finch। Now Lucia scored 169 runs of 84 balls, which means she played 14 overs, scoring at the rate of 12 runs per over। लेकिन टीम का फाइनल स्कोर एट द एंड ऑफ 20 ओवर्स इज 427, which is 21 runs per over। So how come this huge difference in the scoring rate between the team and the batter? That brings us to record number 5, most no balls and most extras in an innings। Chile bowlers got no chill. They bowled 64 no balls, which means they bowled around 11 overs extra। So in a T20 match, Chile bowled almost 31 overs। In average, the Argentina batters got a no ball and a free hit after every 2 legal deliveries। As impossible as it may sound, but this cannot even be resolved by the magic of
ठीक से bowling कर।
It's funny when you consider that Chile scored 63 while they conceded 73 extras. So they essentially beat themselves by 10 runs। Record number 6, highest ever partnership for any wicket। इनकी पार्टनरशिप में 6 और रन अगर जुड़ जाते then they would have broken the 356 run partnership between Karan and Varun in white ball cricket in the covert wars। Now we all know that the record for the most expensive over ever bowled was held by some unnamed bowler, but we do know that the batsman was Jethalal। As said by the legend himself, 50 runs were scored of that over, which included 8 sixes and 2 no balls। Sadly for his fans like me, that record is broken now। Which brings us to record number 7, the most expensive over, 52 runs conceded by Florencia Martinez। This superlative over had 17 no balls, which is beyond supernatural। ये तो मार्को भी नहीं करवा सकता।
Definitely not।
Now what really can you tell a 15-year-old girl on her debut bowling 23 deliveries in 1 over?
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
Record number 8, most runs conceded by a bowler in a T20 innings। Constanza Oyers bowled 4 overs giving away 92 runs। थोड़ी और मेहनत करती तो सेंचुरी बन जाती। एक्चुअली ये कॉन्स्टेंजा का बैड लक है कि फ्लोरेंस को सिर्फ एक ही ओवर दिया, वरना ये रिकॉर्ड भी पक्का फ्लोरेंस के नाम होता।
Definitely।
So these were the 8 world records that were created in the first T20 match between Argentina women and Chile women। So you might think that the Argentina women's cricket team is a new cricketing force to be reckoned with। वेल सच्चाई यहाँ पर यह है कि चील के चितड़े उड़ाने से पहले अर्जेंटीना ने लगातार 11 मैचेस हारे थे। They lost 11 matches in a row and those defeats came against teams like USA, Brazil and Canada। तो यहाँ पर एक सवाल उठता है, should ICC revise its rule for awarding international status to matches where both the teams are associate members? Or should the current rule stay as it is so that the players of associate nations are motivated to register their achievements in ICC record books? Let me know in the comment section।
Definitely।
Thank you for watching the video guys। पसंद आया हो तो लाइक बटन पे जरूर टैप कीजिए। Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet। Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of my new uploads। Follow me on Instagram, X and WhatsApp।